Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels skyrocket to success using animated avatars? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a talking animated avatar using free AI tools. Animated avatars are taking the digital world by storm, with channels like 10x Income gaining 250,000 subscribers in just 3 months through their use of avatars. My own channel saw incredible growth, hitting 100,000 subscribers in just 6 months and bringing in over $10,000 monthly, all thanks to my digital avatar. I truly believe that any faceless channel not leveraging this trend is missing out on a massive opportunity. Whether you're in gaming, education, or entertainment, creators like Dream and Based Zeus have proven that avatars can lead to phenomenal success. So let's dive into the creative process and get you started. To kickstart your video creation journey, a character is essential. Initially, I developed my character through a basic sketch using the Procreate app, which comes with a price tag of around $100 and necessitates an iPad. However, fret not, as I've recently discovered a method to create an even more impressive character using entirely free AI tools. This revelation eliminates the need for expensive software and hardware, making character creation accessible to everyone. With the advancements in AI technology, generating a character has become simpler and more cost-effective. By leveraging these free AI tools, you can craft dynamic characters for your videos without breaking the bank. This democratization of character creation empowers content creators of all backgrounds to enhance their videos with engaging visuals, thereby fostering creativity and innovation in the digital realm. Step 1. We're going to generate a character with CapCut. To download CapCut, all you need to do is open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for CapCut. Once you have it downloaded, you just need to open it up. Then you're going to search for text to image. This function is a lot like Midjourney, and you can use it to generate images of anything that you want. Here, I've pasted an example prompt in the description that you can use directly. But basically, I'm telling what it should be wearing, what the room looks like, everything that the AI needs to give me exactly what I'm looking for here. Next, we need to come over here and set the aspect ratio to whatever platform we're using. It's 16:9 for YouTube and 9:6 for Instagram Reels. Make sure to ask it for 4 options so we have some variability in what we choose. Click Generate, and just like that, CapCut has created 4 images for our text in less than 5 seconds. I already think that these are solid, but if we want to make more variations, we can click on Regenerate, and it'll create 4 more. Or you can edit your prompt if you feel like it's missing something, and you can do this as many times as you want. For example, I can ask it to change to a red hoodie if you like the specific style of just one image. Then you can click Regenerate, and it'll give you back as many that are just like it as possible. This might end up taking a few tries for you to get perfect, but for this example, let's move forward with this one. When you click Download, you're going to notice that the image is super low in quality, and that's a problem. To clear this up, we can search for Image Upscaler, which is another feature on CapCut. Just go ahead and plug in your image and choose the 4K setting, and boom, now we have a crystal clear image. Step 2. In this step, we're going to elevate our background to the next level using a tool called Adobe Firefly. This remarkable tool allows us to generate virtually any background we desire for our image. First things first, you'll need to create an account on Adobe Firefly. Once you've done that, navigate to the Generative Fill feature. From there, upload the image that we previously created in CapCut. Now, the real fun begins as we unleash our creativity to modify the background according to our preferences. Imagine you want to enhance the scene by adding or replacing certain elements, like a cup of coffee or a plant. With Adobe Firefly, it's as simple as clicking on the area where you want to make the addition and typing in the object's name. Voila! The tool seamlessly integrates your chosen elements into the background, allowing you to customize the scene to perfection. Want to add a window for some natural light? Easy. Need to include a microphone or a lava lamp? No problem. The possibilities are endless, and you'll find that the scene starts to take shape beautifully as you add more elements. Now, when you download the modified image from Adobe Firefly, you may notice an unsightly watermark, but fear not. We have a solution to remove it for free using another handy tool called Clip Drop. This tool offers a text remover feature that allows you to seamlessly eliminate the watermark from your image. Simply select the text remover option, and then upscale our image with Clip Drop to achieve a higher quality result. By utilizing these innovative tools, we can transform our character and background into a visually stunning masterpiece. The combination of Adobe Firefly's generative fill feature and ClickDrop's watermark removal capability empowers us to create professional quality images without any hassle. So go ahead, let your creativity run wild, and watch as your designs come to life in ways you never imagined possible. Step 3. Now, we're going to animate the character with a mask. Now, when I did this to get my character's mouth moving, I had to use a super complex editing with keyframes and Adobe After Effects. But if you don't know how to edit like that, there's now a simple free method with AI that works almost just as well, and you'll see what I mean at the end of this video. You probably noticed that my character wears a mask, and that's not because he has a disease or listens to the media too much. It's because it's a heck of a lot easier to animate a character with a mask rather than lip syncing to every word that goes by. So to animate our masked character, just go to Artflow AI on your browser. You're going to need to create a new account. Then just click on the Video Studio in the sidebar and open a new video. Here, you can upload your image from the Upload section in the sidebar. Once it's uploaded, Artflow will detect its face, and it'll ask us to enable speaking animation. Just click here and then type whatever you want them to say in the box below. From there, you can choose an AI voice, or you could upload your own as an audio file. So let's say that you wanted to use your own voice like I do. You could then import that voice and add the voiceover as well. And I will be showing you guys how to create high retention scripts and voiceovers in a future video. But for now, I'm just going to use the AI voice that they have for the sake of this example. So again, just plug in the script and the AI will put it all together. Next, we're just going to click export, and Artflow AI will make the video for us in a few minutes. Now again, when you export your video from Artflow, it is going to have one of those annoying watermarks, but don't worry. If you want to remove a watermark from a video, I also have a tool that can do that as well. It's called Media.io. On their homepage, you can just click on Video and then come to Watermark Remover. Once you've uploaded your video, it's really easy. All you need to do is highlight the watermark section, and they have this little green brush that you can select to move over objects, and boom, now we have a clean version of our masked character. So here's how the project turned out. You probably noticed that my character wears a mask. It's not because he has a disease or listens to the media too much, but now I'm going to give you some more pro tips so you use this right. If you notice, I only play my avatar a handful of times during the video for a few seconds apiece. That's because if I just played my avatar full time, you guys would get really bored. It's kind of like building a personal brand, but without actually showing your face. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, it is a lot easier for the viewer to watch an actual human speak than some cartoon character wearing a mask. But this does get the job done. And again, my channel is living proof that it works. I'm monetized, I've done multiple brand deals, and I generate over $10,000 every month on autopilot. The key takeaway here is that this approach is genuinely effective. Let's examine it from a psychological standpoint. Using an avatar can greatly enhance your audience's engagement with your faceless channel. Without this kind of connection, your videos could easily get overlooked in the overwhelming amount of content on YouTube. If this video was helpful to you, please consider liking it and subscribing to YouTube. Don't forget to share it with others who could benefit from this information. Also, be sure to watch my previous video where I explain how I gained 100,000 subscribers in just 6 months. Thanks for watching today, and I can't wait to see more digital avatars thriving in the online space.